Hi friends, it's Susie. Welcome to my fluid art channel. So I just wanted to let you know what we have today is a 16 by 16 inch gallery wrapped canvas, and these are the colors. We've got teal, cerulean blue, ultramarine blue, dioxazine purple by liquitex. This is emerald green by Amsterdam. This is Rouge by Master's Touch, and these are by decoart. It's a lavender and a little blue. And what I did is I added medium to the paints, and I added I think I added a little bit of polyurethane to this too, because I'm going to do a swipe with the same colors. So I added some polyurethane, and then I added American Floetrol, and then I added some water to get the consistency all the same, because all the paints have to have the same consistency, otherwise it doesn't pour well. So it's about like this. And so I'm going to take these off. I also have the pearl mix, so I'm going to add some of that to it as well. So I'm going to take these off. And I'm going to put a pillow down. The pillow helps the paints flow on the canvas. And that's the whole purpose of the pillow. And I'm going to use this color for the pillow. It's a blue that I made up. It's Primary Blue by Artist Loft. And then a few other blues added to it too. So let's see. What I'm going to do is I want to start with doing the sides and the corners. I just really prefer to do that just in case not all the paint goes over all the edges. Sometimes it doesn't get the corners. So I like to get those done first. Who's that running in here? Daisy, what are you doing? You two playing. You silly. Now don't take anything out to your toy basket. I've already taped the back and sprayed the middle with some water. That's always good to do to keep it from sinking in. And if you don't tape the back, then you get dirty edges. So, what are you doing? Somebody turned off the light. Oh, don't go back there. Go on, go on out, you guys. Where's Daisy? Go on out. You go play out there. Go play. Go get your dollies. He just turned off the light. All right, how did you manage to do that, Cooge? There we go. Gotta have our light in here. I'm going to start loading the cup. Just so we get one. So what you put in at the bottom is going to come out last. And some people prefer it to be like a light color, and other people like dark colors. And today I don't prefer either one really. I like the light just in case it gives an effect of going into the light type of thing. But I also like the dark, so today I'm doing the light though. So we're going to put the white in the bottom. I'm going to put some of this blue here. And then I'll put a little bit of this purple. And then a little bit of this blue. Then what? A little bit of the purple. A little bit of this ultramarine blue. And then some of this teal color. Just gonna put all the colors, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of the pearl mix. it also is mixed with another red. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit more pearl mix in. Do the colors again. That's a really pretty color there, that light bluish, greenish color. And then this lavender is really pretty too. I'm going to have to balance this a little bit. So I'm going to put this here so it won't wiggle around. Then I'm going to put a little bit of the dioxazine purple. And then some of this ultramarine blue. And some of this lighter blue. I'll put teal. Some of this Rouge color in here. And what else? Some purple. Well, I don't know if that goes with the red. Put some green. And then some of this purple here. Alright, I think that's enough. Now I just have to, this is the pillow. I'm going to put this down. And the pillow, it helps the paint roll over the canvas smoothly. So that's the whole purpose of the pillow. And it can be any paint, really, whatever you feel like using. Alright, so I'm going to, why did my other light go off? Let me see. Alright, there. Gotta have these lights. Alright. I'm gonna start pouring. I'm going to torch it to get the bubbles out. It also brings out any cells that might be activated by the torch. And it's good to let it sit for a little while, to let the cells develop, maybe 5 or 10 minutes. So I'm going to do that so you don't have to just sit there and watch the canvas while I'm giving it a break. I'm going to turn you off so you won't have to. So I'm going to turn you off for about 5 minutes. Okay, I'm back. That's been about 5 minutes. And what I'm going to do is put some paint around the edges to help it it flow, and then we'll get this blown out. I'll probably spin it some, and I may tilt it some too. Alright, so I'm going to spin it, but let's see, I've got to make sure that I have enough room without it hitting the easel. Okay, and I'm going to have to find a big piece of cardboard too. Everything else in here gets paint all over it. Here it goes. Oh, the paints are coming. Okay. All right. Well, that's totally. A lot of paint came off. Oops, and it's still dripping. So I have to move this up a little bit so it doesn't get all over everything. Bringing it back to the center. All right, and now I'm gonna bring it in for a close-up. Okay, so that's the center there, and these are the edges. And look at those fingerlings over here. Pretty well developed. And then we've got all these sails that are wanting to come up here. Trying to get the, oh there, if you can see some of the sparkles. Trying to get the sparkles to show.